Unknowingly, we make a lot of grammatical mistakes when we speak or write in English, isn't it? This lesson is especially for those who want to speak or write correct sentence in English. Hello everyone, this is Bhavna Devangan and I'm here to help you out in speaking or writing correct sentence in English. And in today's lesson, we are going to talk about the usage of apostrophe. So let's get started. Number 1. Apostrophe is used to show the contraction. Contraction means when we join two words together, then it is known as contraction. For example, did plus not, didn't. I plus am, I'm. He plus is, his. So this way, apostrophe can be used to show the contraction. It is also used before S to show the plural of any letter or number. Let's see some example. There are 2 P's in the word supper. Now let's move on to the third usage of apostrophe, that is apostrophe and possessive nouns. If your possessive noun is a singular noun, that means if the noun is a singular noun which possesses something, then we use apostrophe plus S. Let's see some example. Rohit's dog is playing. Rohit, then apostrophe, then S. Rohit's dog is playing. This is John's pen. John is a singular noun. That is why I am writing John, then apostrophe, and then S. Now we will talk about plural possessive noun which ends with S. For example, photo, photos. The plural of photo is ending with S. The photo's quality. I will add apostrophe after S. I will not add any extra S after apostrophe. The writer's desk. Here we are talking about multiple writers. Now we will talk about plural possessive noun which does not end with S. For example, the plural of child is children. Let's see some example. The children's toy. Here, how will I write? I will write children, then apostrophe, and then S. The children's toy. So my dear friends, that's all for today. But yes, I'll be continuing this topic in the next lesson too. So please do not forget to watch the next part of this video. Till then, bye-bye and happy learning.